stop the cap. Your knuckles crack. You won't get arthritis, and that's a fact. Your fingers chillin' for the rest of time. Arthritis only get you in the spine, and that's a fact. To go with this rap. So if you crack your knuckles, arthritis is cap. No slap cap. Just let your knuckles crack. Arthritis is cap.